Assalamu alaikum grade 7 students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 3, and the name of our new chapter is Main Agriculture Products of the Muslim World. In this chapter we will study about all the agriculture products that grow in the Muslim countries like wool, cotton, cocoa, coffee, tea, rice, sugar, and etc. So, as we all know, agriculture is the main occupation of the majority of people living in the Muslim world. These countries produce variety of agriculture products for their own use as well as for export. Before I am going to start our main topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please do subscribe it as well as click on the bell icon. If you like my video, please click and comment as well. So, the first topic of our chapter number 3 is wool. Wool is perhaps still the best textile for ordinary clothing, especially in temperate climates. Woolen cloth contains many small pockets of air which keep the body warm, as we all know. If it is crushed, it quickly returns to its original state. Some of the highest quality wool in the Muslim world comes from sheep in Kazakhstan. The wool from sheep and sometimes goats in Pakistan and Turkey, though much harder and tougher, is perfect for carpet making. The Muslim world supplies about 10% of the world's wool from Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey and Central Asian states. So that is all about our first topic, which was about wool. Now talking about our second topic, cotton. Today cotton is one of the most valuable and world's leading agriculture crops. It can be used for many purposes: sheep cloth for everyday use as well as expensive luxury material. It can be made into the thinnest and finest of fabrics or into heavy canvas for tents and sails. It is comfortable to wear in hot climates as it is rapidly absorbed moisture released from the body as sweat. It is easy dyed and washed, and unlike wool, it can be boiled to kill off any germs or infection it may contain. When the fibers have been removed for spinning and weaving, the seeds are crushed to make oil for cooking. The remains of the crushed seeds are good for feeding animals. Muslim countries produce 20% of the world's cotton. The leading cotton growing countries in this region are Egypt, Pakistan, Turkey, Uzbekistan, and Sudan. So that is all about cotton. That cotton has immense importance in all the Muslim world or in all the Muslim countries. Inshallah, in my next video I will explain you about sugar. Till that, if you have any sort of confusion or you want to ask any question, you can ask me in the Google Classroom in the comment section, as well as you can ask me in my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe it as well as click on the bell icon to make sure that you should get the latest videos on the channel. So thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you very much.